There is something so crazy on Crazy Cars today, you can't call it a bike or a car. Even the RTO does not know how to classify this as. But I can tell you one thing, this is the only one in India at the moment, and this is crazy. Everyone just looks at you, man.
Yeah, everyone. I'm clicked.
यार बिना बॉलीवुड का इतना देखो यार.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. Is this more fun, or would you call a supercar more fun?
This is more fun because it's an absolute joyride.
How has your experience been with the police?
They have stopped me for taking pictures with the car.
कितना देती है?
बहुत अच्छा दीजिए भाई.
The acceleration was so quick that the GoPro came off. Welcome to Crazy Cars, Finish.
Hello.
Can you tell us about yourself and how did you make it to India with this car?
Yeah, so hi, my name is Tanish Baheti and this is a Polaris Slingshot R. I got it from Dubai on Carnet.
And you just came to India 3 days ago, right?
भाई पटाखे फूट रहे थे मैं आ गया बस के.
What is CarNet for people that don't know anything about it?
So Carnet is basically a process. It's a passport for the vehicle.
This is not a normal color, right? I have not
Correct.
seen the Slingshot R in this
Yeah.
color. So, is this a custom wrap?
So this is not a wrap, it's a peelable paint.
Okay.
And so Coco Melts is my chocolate brand, so I have took an opportunity to brand in this car, on this
Okay,
car.
while bringing it to India.
Yeah, while
That's
bringing
a
it to
very
India,
smart
yeah.
move, huh? Because people all around us, they keep looking at this car, right?
Correct, correct.
Everyone just looks at you, man.
Yeah, everyone, I'm clicked too.
I want one for myself now.
I didn't know it's next level.
So I'll tell you guys one thing. You see this rear tire? It is so thick. This is the same tire which you have to put on a Lamborghini, and the waiting period is very long for this, right?
Basically, it takes 2 months to like get the tire from Canada, from the factory, and then comes to Dubai, and then they'll fix it. It's not readily available. You know the best part? Not the best part, but usually when you drive a sports car, if there's a speed breaker, you have to take it cross.
Yeah, yeah.
Any low car, if it's a speed breaker, you have to take
Yes.
it cross. Here, just because there's one wheel in the back, there's no point in taking it cross.
Yeah.
You have to go straight.
Straight only.
Yeah. Right now, it's a speed breaker. I can't. Yeah.
Ah.
That's the sad reality.
So even if you go sideways, it will still scrape.
Yeah, there's no point because one tire behind is always going to be straight. I'm taking it sideways now.
This one was better.
It's still
Scraped, yeah.
scraped, yeah.
So even with the 3 wheels, right? The car feels pretty stable. Like I felt like it might feel a bit like
Yeah,
the
unstable.
auto rickshaw,
Correct.
but it does not.
You know, it does. The back wheel is so big, and it's so stable that you don't feel shit. Okay, one more good thing is it is so much fun to drift around also.
Yeah.
So much fun.
So what is this confusion behind between calling this a car or a bike, right? Some places call it a bike, some places call it a car. So what is that?
Personally, I feel calling it a motorcycle is just a loophole to get it registered.
Okay.
If you look at the car, there's no safety in this car.
Yeah.
The only safety part is the seat belt.
Seatbelt.
There's no roof, there's no doors, there's no airbag, nothing.
So do you need a bike license or a car license to drive this car or bike in India?
In that case, I have both, so I've never thought about it that way. I'm good to go with, like, if anybody catches me, if the cop catches me, I can show both the licenses.
Yeah. If it is classified as a bike, right? I can see it is so wide. So do you take it to the toll booth for free because it is classified as a bike?
Okay.
Or you take it as a car because it's too wide to enter the bike lanes?
Funnily, I've gone to Bombay once in this vehicle.
Okay.
And I had to pay the tax. I had to pay the toll.
So they were not accepting
Yeah,
it as a-
because this is so broad that it cannot go through the
bike
two-wheeler section. Yes.
Section, yes. Right. So Tanish, can you show us the engine? Because I think even that is unique in this car,
Yeah,
right?
sure. Come, I'll show you. So this is how it opens.
We have pretty unique opening, right?
Yeah, and this is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, inline 4.
Custom made for this one, right?
Yeah, right.
I'll tell you guys a fun fact about this engine, okay? This makes the same amount of power as the Fortuner. But when the Fortuner is 2100 kgs, just look at this car. It only weighs 749 kgs, which is in the same ballpark as the Maruti 800, the old one. And that only came with 37 horses. So now you can imagine the kind of performance this car gives you. Or bike, whatever you want to call it, right?
Vehicle.
So what fuel do you usually use in this car?
I either put HP ka power petrol
Yeah.
or Shell V-Power, which is 100 octane.
100 octane.
Yeah.
So, कितना देती है?
बहुत अच्छा देती है भाई. कम से कम 18 या 20 का देती है. Which is better than any hybrid car also in the market right now.
Is this more fun, or would you call a supercar more fun?
So this is more fun because it's an absolute joyride. You cannot have this car and expect it to do well on the track.
Yeah.
Or you can't expect it to go so fast like a supercar. It's like you come home in the evening, come home in the night, you take it out, you have a half an hour, 1 hour drive, you listen to good music, enjoy the weather, enjoy the attention and come back.
You must be getting a lot of female attention also with this car.
Every attention. Male, female, everything.
Because everywhere you look around, no?
Yeah, wherever on the road, wherever you look around now, you'll only be having people's eyes on you and cameras on.
It's a
So it's like
completely different
full time
experience.
paparazzi on the road. Yeah.
So much attention, man. You get. I think even a Porsche will not get you so
Yeah,
much attention.
trust me, I've been in a lot of vehicles. A lot of supercars, a lot of sports cars in India. But no car has ever gotten so much attention as much as this car gets. No car, trust me. You can't not have fun in this car.
Very true, very true.
Yeah.
Open air motoring is the best sort of motoring.
Correct.
You feel one with the environment.
True.
So the seat also, you're part of it, right?
Yeah. But I would choose this over a supercar any day.
Good amount of space also for
Very
such
nice.
big people like us, right?
So I am 6 feet 2 inches.
yeah, I'm 6.
Yeah, and we are comfortable.
We are comfortable.
Yeah.
What is the top speed that you have done on this?
I have done in Dubai, I have done 160.
Okay, not in India, right?
Never. I don't break rules.
Good. Because in
Yeah.
India, the highest is 120.
120, right.
And what's the top speed?
So the official top speed is 220, but I was really struggling at 160 or maybe 180 I could have gone at max. But I don't think so it can go.
It is because of the open.
Yeah, the wind and everything.
It just hits you, right? And even this windshield will not do a lot, right?
No,
At that
correct,
speed.
Correct.
So do you also get like stones and chips on your face?
Not really, but a lot of dust particles.
What is the longest trip that you have done in this car and your favorite memory in this car?
So the longest trip is Dubai to Jabal Jais, which I've done. Jabal Jais is a mountainy area in UAE.
Okay.
I think it's like 2.5 hours or 2 hours away from Dubai. So that is the longest I've done. And that was indeed my favorite memory also.
And you can also do like 0 to 100 in less than 5 seconds on this, right? So pretty quick. Plenty quick.
Yes, it is. The most awkward feeling in this car is when you're at the signal waiting. You are doing nothing, you're just looking here and there.
Yes, I would
People are
actually.
recording you.
Yes, there are people. They'll just record you, the auto guy, everyone.
Yeah.
That's the beauty about cars, no? Good cars. They
Yeah.
don't just make you happy. Even the people around you,
Correct.
it makes
So-
them happy.
So I believe in this one thing strongly. Okay. I am 24 years old today, and as a kid, I always loved cars. And there are thousands of kids like me who also love cars but who don't have access to such cars.
Yes.
So whenever I am asked on the road to stop to click a picture,
Yes.
if they want to click a picture, 90% of the times I make it a point where I actually stop for them. I actually let them sit inside the car, make them sit inside the car,
Yeah.
I like make them take pictures. So that यार क्या है भगवान ने हमें दिया है
True.
तो यार क्यों ना बांटे हम अपनी खुशियाँ.
Very true. It might take 5-10 minutes more, right?
Exactly.
But it
You're
will make
making
their
someone's
day.
day.
Exactly. So if you want to get it serviced, you need to take it back to Dubai.
I have to take it back to Dubai or I have to get parts here and get it fixed with my local mechanic who does it. There were times when I felt it won't rain now. I've taken it out and it's pouring rains.
Yeah. So also about the rain, right?
Yeah.
You can drive this car in the rain. It's all of it is waterproof.
Fully waterproof car. We can drive it in the rain, but it's like if you want to bear the rains while driving.
Yes.
But yes, it's a fully waterproof car.
It feels very scary also, right? When the buses and all that
Yeah.
come around you.
No, so the thing is that it's so low that buses and trucks can't see you.
Yeah, they can't see
And
you.
whenever you're overtaking them, or whenever you're like getting in, like you can get sandwiched between.
Yes. Okay, so now we switch. Everyone is just
Yeah.
giving you a thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
How has your experience been with the police in this car?
The cops in India are not well aware about what car it is.
Yeah.
And for them, it is you driving as good as you driving a car without number plate.
Yeah.
So they do stop me. They have their own queries. Maximum of the times, they have stopped me for taking pictures with the car.
Yeah.
But other than that, 1 or 2 times they've stopped me. I've shown them for the right documentation and they've let me. So not big of a deal.
Okay. The acceleration was so quick that the GoPro came off. What?
Waiting for the DJ.
अच्छा अच्छा ले लेते हैं उसको.
यार बिना बॉलीवुड का इतना देखो यार.
Exactly, bro. Exactly. Without being like a A-list celeb.
Yeah.
Have you heard of this saying? You can grow up liking any car brand that you want, but at the end of the day, you will land on a Porsche.
Gentleman's car.
Yeah.
I've landed on that only.
Yeah. Modern cars are trying so hard to separate you from the mechanical feel, because the more separated you are, the more comfortable the car would feel. But then again, at the end of the day,
Right.
there are no emotions.
Now you need 10 minutes to get used to a left and right and right.
Oh, I did not even realize it's a left-hand drive. Now, the reason this isn't sold in India is because the RTO does not know what to do with it to classify it as a car or a bike. Now, the sad part is that this slingshot will be going back to Dubai since it is a car net. But until then, we will keep finding crazier cars for you on Crazy Cars, and we should thank Tanishq once again. Thank you so much.
No worries.